We're out here on Mr. Mark Purvis's roof. This is my second repaired attempt video. As you can see, we've already done one attempt here as well as one up here. As you can tell, both failed repairs. We're going to be replacing this shingle here. As you can see, there's no prior manipulation to the shingles above. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, as you can see, I'm using the snake tool to mitigate any manipulation of the shingle. Let's go ahead and see where this shingle's inserted at. As you can tell as well, I'm not putting it above 45 degrees. But what we got here is 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna loosen the ones above. Go ahead and get this thing. There's only 3 nails. Go ahead and try and take that shingle out. Get one more nail we gotta take out. Did I miss one? Yes, I did. Okay, one more. This one right here. All right, there we go. Easy peasy. Alrighty, let me show you what we have run into the past 2 repairs. As you can see, we've got one here, one cracking here. This one's almost all the way cracked through, as well as this one. Lightly dusted. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue repairs as scheduled. All right, we're using a GAF weathered gray, so tar strip is lined up. All right, we're going to be using 4 nails as well as 90 degrees to the decking per manufacturer's guidelines. One. Two. Three. Four. All right. Okay. As you can see, new shingle is installed. We now have 1, 2, 3 new wind crease shingles. Not wind crease, my apologies. Yeah, this is just not a good candidate for repair. We're gonna stop all repairs immediately